Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an amazing tutorial lined up for you. We're going to walk you through the process of creating an SSH SSL /TLS Stunnel server payload and setting it up on the Netmod VPN app. This setup will help you achieve faster speeds and a more secure web connection. If you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future VPN tricks and updates. Alright, let's get started. First, we need to create an SSH TLS server account. Open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and press Enter. Look for the official UDP Custom website in the search results and click on it. Once you're on the home page, locate the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, at the top corner of the page. Click on it to reveal a list of options. From the list, click on SSH Server. A new window will pop up. Click on SSH Stunnel Server. You'll be redirected to an account creation page. Now, follow these steps to set up your server. 1. Enter a username of your choice. 2. Solve the CAPTCHA to verify you're not a robot. 3. Click Create Now. Within seconds, your SSH TLS server will be created, and the server details, host IP, port, username, and password will be displayed on the screen. Make sure to copy this information. We'll need it later. Now that we have our SSH TLS server details, let's move on to setting up Netmod VPN. Open the Google Play Store on your device. Search for Netmod VPN. Click on the app and tap Install. Once installed, open the app. Now let's set up Netmod VPN to use our SSH TLS server. 1. On the home screen, click the upper left menu icon, hamburger icon. 2. In the expanded menu, select the plugin option. 3. Click the SSH Mode Radio button. This will show new options on the homepage. Now let's configure the connection. If you have a valid payload, paste it in the payload box. Below that, enter a valid SNI or the host of your SSH server. Check the boxes for SSH and SSL. Next, we need to create a new SSH profile. 1. Click the menu icon again and select SSH profile. 2. A new screen will appear. Click the small page icon with a + sign to add a new profile. 3. Enter the server details from the website. Remarks: any name for the SSH profile, host IP, the SSH server address, port, use 443 if you're using both SSH and SSL, username and password, paste the details from the website 4. Once done, click Add to save the profile. Now everything is set up. Go back to the home screen and tap the play button to connect. Within seconds, you'll be connected to a secure and fast SSH/SSL TLS server using Netmod VPN. And that's it! You've successfully set up an SSH SSL TLS server on Netmod VPN. If this tutorial